Tiny Heroes, the lion's life-saving lesson. A tiny mouse could save a mighty lion. This seemingly improbable scenario. The lion and the mouse. In a lush, vibrant jungle, a mighty lion ruled over all the animals. His majestic presence and fearsome roar kept every creature in awe and, often, in fear. The fierce lion and the tiny, seemingly insignificant mouse. Despite their vast differences, their paths would soon intersect in a way that changed both their lives. One day, the mouse accidentally ran across the lion's path. In its haste and panic, it scurried directly in front of the lion, unaware of the consequences that awaited. The lion, with his powerful paw, captured the mouse easily. The tiny creature trembled in fear, caught in the formidable grip of the jungle's ruler, knowing its fate seemed sealed. The mouse begged for its life, promising to return the favor one day. Its tiny voice quivered with desperation as it pleaded, hoping the mighty lion would show mercy. Amused, the lion decided to spare the mouse and set it free. With a booming laugh, he released the tiny creature, doubting it could ever repay the favor. Days went by, and the lion continued his reign over the jungle. He roamed the vast terrain, confident and unchallenged, never expecting to see the mouse again. One fateful day, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. Struggling fiercely, he found himself trapped, his roars echoing through the jungle, seeking help from anyone who would listen. The lion roared for help, but none of the big animals could save him. They tried and failed, leaving the lion increasingly desperate and hopeless in the hunter's net. Hearing the lion's roars, the mouse rushed to his aid. Despite its small size, the mouse was determined to help the mighty lion who once spared its life. Using its sharp teeth, the mouse gnawed through the ropes and freed the lion. The lion watched in amazement as the tiny creature cut through the net. The lion, now free, was deeply grateful to the tiny mouse. He couldn't believe such a small creature had saved his life, proving that size doesn't determine bravery or worth. This tale teaches us that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference. The lion learned to value all beings, understanding that everyone has unique strengths and abilities. The lion's act of kindness towards the mouse was a gesture of compassion. He didn't expect anything in return but was repaid in his moment of dire need, showcasing the power of kindness. This story highlights the importance of reciprocity. The mouse returned the favor when the lion was trapped, proving that good deeds, no matter how small, hold tremendous value and significance. The lion and the mouse and their journey unfold reminds us of the beauty found in unexpected friendships and acts of kindness. Next time you encounter someone in need, regardless of their size or status, remember this story. Extend a helping hand. If this tale inspired you, support more stories like this by liking, sharing, and subscribing our channel Raju's World.